Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial. This is our fifth. Is it fifth? No, this is our fourth. I guess I don't know, but I really don't know. I'm not keeping count, but this our I believe is our fourth or yeah, it's our fourth tutorial on website development. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you links about links, how to link to different pages or to different pages on your website or to different pages on other people's website. Have you ever wondered where you go to people's website and then they click they will like click on this advertisement and they will take you to some other links that you don't know about? Well, I'm going to teach you how to link to your own page and how to link to other people's pages. Now, first of all, for us to create a link, there's an element called a. Uh, if you just press A on the keyboard and then hit enter, it comes in line with this. Now, this A element, it means a link. For you to create a link, you must use an element called A. Now, it's called an anchor. What does this stand for? Anchor link. Yeah, anchor link, I guess. Right. Now, this href is where are you linking to? And then this paragraph, this space here is what you provide to people for them to click in order for them to be taken to this part where you already linked. Now, let's say I want to, let's just call this one click to go to web system network. Web system network. And then when you just click on it, where will it take you to? I want you to take me to the local network, so which is here. I'm going to say right. I'm going to give it as a okay, good. I'm going to just put this part here, and then if you let's just save that and then open in browser. All right, this is a link. You see the hand, it changes to a hand, meaning that you can click on it. If you just click on it, it will take you to my web system network. This website. This is local. I just link you to my local network. Right. If you just go back again, it still shows the link. Now let's say for example you want to create a menu such as this. You see it changes because when you click on it, it takes you to your contact page. It takes you to, let's say, about us page. It take you, this is how you create a link by just by just providing it here. Now let's say for example you want to link to your you created 2 page. You want to link to this page, for example. Where is it? Let me just well, let's just let's just erase this, and then we want to create a list, and then let's just say ul on order list, ul, and then li, and then let's just say you want to link it to, well, where? Home. Not home, let's just say link list, and then you wanna say want to learn how to bold again. You wanna link it to this one. When they click, wanna come here, wanna click, when they click another one, wanna come to link, wanna click here, wanna come to list and structure and all that. So what do we do? Well, let's just say list, and then we got link here, link, and then we got structure, not L structure. Okay, right. Now how do we provide a link? Because if we save this and then open it in browser, we cannot click. Even if we click, we can't do anything. That's because we didn't provide the anchor element. And for us to do that, we just click next to it, we just put a And then where are we linking to? We are linking it to this one. The link, when I link it to link, well, let us say link in the same folder anyway, and then copy that, we paste it here, and then A again, the anchor element, and then we'll copy that. We're going to go to lists, and then we'll copy that, control F, move that. All right, so, and then A again, sorry guys, A, and then we have structure. So let's copy this, cut that, and then if you save it again, what will happen? Let me just refresh. Instead of, it changes with an underline, meaning that you can be able to click. Now if you click on this link, this list, it said page, file is not found. Why? Let's just see what we did. This is the error that occurred. This is because we did not put, it doesn't know whether we are linking to an HTML, so we must put the file name to be h.html, right? All of them .html, because we are linking to an HTML file .html. This is where the problem is. And so if we just refresh that again and then click list, it takes us here. And if you click go back again and click structure, it takes us welcome to web system network, and it takes us back to the same page, list, just like as you can see over here, where you can click, it takes you to contact, you click web development, mobile, whatever, services, projects, it takes you. So this is different pages in my website. This is how you also create a link on your website. You link to your own page, you can link to a different page. You want to link to Google, you can always put https://www.google.com, and if you just refresh that and then click link, it's saying that what we are having trouble finding that site. This is because I don't have internet. It's running over here, my network is giving me problem, so I just removed the Ethernet cable. This is because I'm not connected to the internet, and so it's unable to link you directly. But if you're not linked to other people's site, that is how you do it. You provide the hypertext transfer protocol, and then you'll be able to go. So thank you very much. Hopefully we'll meet up next time, and please don't forget to subscribe, watch the video, ask questions, and leave the comment below, because I'll be replying you as soon as possible.